We have Brother Muhammad from Malaysia.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
For Zakat, if your country follows like 85 grams of gold, are we still obliged to pay like for 595 grams of silver for the money?
Yes, because this is not something that your country is involved in. This is something done personally. So whether to evaluate the threshold of your cash savings via silver or gold is an issue of dispute. The most authentic is that it is counted by silver, estimated by silver. So imagine if we tell the rich, if you have the threshold of silver evaluated at, let's say, $700, you have to give zakat. How much of them rich people and average people would give zakat compared when we tell them that no, the threshold is 85 grams of gold, which is far more than the value of $700. It can be in the 10,000 range or something like that. So less people would give zakat, which means that less poor people would benefit from the zakat annually. So the scholar said, no, zakat is made to bless the wealth of those saving it and to benefit the poor and compensate for their needs. And that cannot be done when measured and calculated by gold, and Allah knows what.